right, let's bring in our guest for this hour. Joining us to discuss is national trial attorney Michael Jaafar. Michael, great to see you. Thank you so much for joining us here on the program. We can see the beginning here of the cross-examination. State seems to be going into the area where I thought the testimony was weakest. I thought it did a decent job, but weakest, and that is explaining what we see on the video and how that dovetails with this whole dissociative disorder and all these other mental illness that they were talking about. What do you make of the cross-examination thus far?
So far, the cross-examination is going exactly. I thought the same thing that you thought, which is that's the only way to do it. I will also say Dr. Andrew Clark is the most likable psychiatrist I have ever seen testify in any trial I've ever been a part of or a witness to, and I've been in over 1,000 of them. He is so likable. He is so, I mean, I really love this expert, right? So the prosecution obviously is going to have to be very tasteful in the way they break it down, and it's not like he's hiding the fact that he did not spend 10 million years with Carly Gregg and intimately know her. But again, she was 14 years old when this happened, so it's understandable that she did not have a well-established relationship with a psychiatrist by the time that this happened. That's understandable. But he's a very likable witness. Again, this is my personal opinion. He's the most likable psychiatrist I have personally ever seen. It must be playing well in the courtroom, but the prosecution is doing what they have to do. And by the way, what else can they do? That's the only thing they can do. They're not going to allow, it's not like cross-examining a principal who was a witness to a school shooting, where sometimes the other side just simply does not cross-examine that person. You have to cross-examine Dr. Andrew Clark, because Dr. Andrew Clark basically said, if you just let it stand, she was legally insane when it happened. She had dissociative fugue. She was bipolar. She had all these. She cold turkey got off the Zoloft, and even her doctor told her not to do that. It's understandable that that would have ramifications. So right now, I'm seeing it the way you're seeing it. The prosecution is doing what they have to do, but this was a very, very, very good witness for the defense.